this video we're going to be creating a Mondrain style artwork in Google Sheets. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you're going into your ClassLink portal, opening up Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to click on New. We're going to choose Sheets, Google Sheets. Okay, and up here you can title it whatever you want. You can put your name. You can put Mondrain style art. That way we know. Okay, so pretty much there's a couple things you can do here. You can start off however you want as far as how you want to start the first cell. But the main 3 steps that you got to do is select a cell. So if you want to select more than one cell, all you got to do is click Shift or hold down your mouse button and select a few cells. I'm going to do 3 cells for this first one. And then what I want to do is I want to merge these cells, and that is this button right here, Merge Cells. Click it. Notice how it's become white. Now Mondrain did use a lot of the primary colors, and down here at the bottom you can see some of those colors already. So I'm going to go ahead and make this first one red. Now I'm going to choose a different number of cells. Maybe I'll use 2 on this one. Do the same step again, merge cells, and then change the fill color. This time I'll do this yellow right here. And you can do different yellows. If you want to do that kind of yellow, that's fine as well. And then move on. Let's say I want to do an area where it's just white. I'm going to select these 3 cells, merge them, and just leave it that way. Okay, and so forth. Now maybe on this one I just want to do 1 cell. So if it's just 1 cell, notice that this is kind of grayed out because you've only selected 1 cell. And I'm going to choose fill color, and it will fill it in for the color that we need. Okay, now you can continue on, and it's basically the same process. So 3 cells, or this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells, and I'm going to go ahead and change the fill color to that one and put it back on yellow. Okay, just like that. Oops. Now you notice I forgot to merge the cells, so you can still see that thin gray line in between there. So what I want to do there is I can do undo, or I can redo it, and since it's still selected, then I can go back in and merge the cells, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that one more time right here. This time I'm going to go and do a couple of columns and do a bigger area, and this time I'm going to merge the cells, fill color, red, just like that. Okay, and then I can keep going. Now you can also do a black outline border. You're going to select the cells, so for example on this white one, and I'm going to choose the borders, and I'm going to choose this one that says outer borders. See, now you can see the outer border. Okay, so that way you can kind of make it look a little bit cleaner. I'm going to do the same thing here, outer borders. Now if you wanted to change the width of the outer borders, you click here, the style. Since it's on that one right now, that's the thicker one that you can do, or you can do them thinner. But I kind of like the ones that's a little bit thicker so we can see them, which would be this one. Okay, so then you'll continue to work. This one I'm going to do blue, merge the cells, fill them in. There we go. And keep the outer border so you can see them. So you'll continue to work throughout the space. It's up to you, like how many shapes you want to create, where you want to make them. So be creative. And once you're finished, you're going to click on File, and you can either download as a PDF right here. Okay, so you're going to click on Share right there at the bottom where it says Restricted. You can change those rules. Click on it and either go to anyone with the link or /IST, and then to get the link just click that button that says copy link, and done. And that'll be it. Thank you very much.